Hi there, this is your host, marketing expert. Welcome back with another video of how to create Shopify store and set up your dropshipping business in 2022. So, after you have completed the store designing and completed your all of the products, the next step is to attach the domain with your store and set up the payment methods. First, I will show you how to attach the domain in your Shopify store. Fortunately, adding a domain is easy with Shopify. You can find your domain settings under online store on left menu of Shopify store. Here you can come to settings and you will find your domain settings here on this left sidebar. First, you have option of connect third party domain, buy domain and transfer domain. For this you have to buy a domain from an any hosting like GoDaddy, Namecheap, and then connect that domain with this. Suppose let me just show you an example of that. uh, we So suppose this is my domain name, that is just a test domain. I have to put my domain name up here, click on next. After that I have option to connect automatically or connect manually. If you have admin login of that domain hosting account like GoDaddy or Namecheap, if you have admin or owner account, you can just click on connect automatically and just proceed. If you don't have, then just click on connect manually. After that you have to just set up DNS settings in your Namecheap. So here is the settings you have to add. You have to go to your Namecheap account. There you have to add this CNAME value and this A type record. I will show you later how to do add this CNAME and this A record in your domain hosting later on in next video. After attaching the domain, you have to set a payment method. It looks like Shopify payments and PayPal are enabled by default. But if you want to use other payment provider or accept other mode of payments, for example, Amazon Pay, Bitcoin, Dollar, FM, you can set everything up on this page. Also note that while Shopify payment is enabled, Shopify will only be able to transfer funds to your bank account after you are completed your account setup and provide additional details. As for PayPal, the company will email you after you have made your first sale with instructions on how to set up PayPal merchant account. From home page, click on this setup payments to attach payment method you want to use with Shopify. Click on setup payments, and here PayPal is by default as I told you, and other options you can select this complete account setting, view payouts. You can all add payment methods, any payment method you want to add up here. There are lots of payment methods available by default in Shopify. So after attaching domain, completing your design, having your products in your products that you want to sell, you have to make your store live. And to make your store live, you have to just click on online store, click on preferences, and here this is enable password. You have to just disable this password protection to make your store live. Currently I can't do this because I have not attached payment methods and domains completely. So if you are able to connect both of payment methods and domains with Shopify, you will able to uncheck this mark and remove the password. After that, your store will be online in Google search engine. Thank you so much for watching this video. In next video, I'll show you all the necessary apps or important apps or best apps for dropshipping business.